Hello everyone, AR Productions here, and I'm back with a model railway updates video. Just a quick update. So, since the last time I made an updates video, which wasn't that long ago, I've made quite a bit of progress. Mainly to the village and slash town area. So I've completely added and finished the road markings. I just need to paint over the bits where the white paint's a bit splodgy, and I've finished adding and gluing the super quick paving sheets. I've also completely scattered the green area, so that would be like a park or a picnic area adjacent to the station. I've also made a start on a tunnel element, so I've got three working ideas. Number one is that there'll be a working tunnel here that'll be modular, so I can take the scene in and out of the layout. That way I can clean the track. Or I'll have something where it looks like there used to be an old railway line that used to go across, and it no longer exists, and just the tunnel is still there. Third option would be to create an illusion that the track from the station continued along into another branch line, and I'd black that area out to give the illusion that there used to be an old railway line that's now been torn up and abandoned. So that idea is still in the pipeline, and I've just got some things to work out and I'm still deciding. And also, if I do the first and second option, then I'll be using these retaining walls along just to blend in the model railway with the white wall. So, a bit of progress and some decisions to make. If you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments, and I'll make sure to shout you out if I end up using them in the final product. Anyway, I think I'll have a quick, short running session. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe.